keep watching to see how we built this gazebo from the ground up.
Good morning to you.
We're building a gazebo. Hopefully. 10:30, let's see how long it takes.
5.5 days.
Tarp has been removed. Let the fun begin. Right now we are just unloading the boxes and separating the pieces, organizing them to see if we can figure out where we need to start. So this gazebo is actually solid wood. It was from Sam's Club. It came as a kit. You can have them assemble it as well. It just costs a little bit more money, and we wanted to tackle it even though it was a lot. This is one box of 5. Wish us luck. We started off easy by adding these plastic pads to the bottom of the posts. Super easy. Holes were already there, pre-drilled for us, so just had to add them on. How we tackled this is lay out all of the wood pieces. They have letters and numbers on them, so we just put them all in the same pile so they are all together. Then we took all of the hardware out, put it on a table where the instructions were, and then we got started with step number 1. It definitely is a process where you have to take it step by step, otherwise you'll get very overwhelmed and discouraged. So that is exactly what we did. Complete one, move on to the next.
Alright, y'all, big reason that we ended up buying this gazebo. We like the look, like that it was real wood. We knew it would give us a nice little covered spot. What I didn't expect is this wood smells so damn good. Which is weird, but if you've worked with wood, you know what I'm talking about.
That's what she said.
It smells nice. So it's just, when we're screwing into it, getting a nice little fragrance. So it's a side benefit of this project.
Pretty much the first few steps were repeats. So it was like build one side, then build the other. So it was really nice. Once you got one down, it was really easy to get the other section done. So this is just us building one of the sides for the gazebo. And we kind of already did it before, so it was quick. I definitely would recommend having at least 3 people when you build this gazebo. We only had the 2 of us and we were really determined to get it done. So I do not recommend the way that we did it, but it ended up working out okay. So you'll find out later on, but it was a little bit of a struggle with 2 people, but it was good enough.
Good news is it's not the sketchy enough. You get just like one bolt in, I'll get one bolt in, so that way it's at least up.
These holes don't line up.
Yeah, they do.
Close call, close call.
Feeling so far?
I'm excited. There's actual progress happening. It's nice.
You look cute.
Now we're just making sure everything is square, measuring the diagonals of both sides, And this was also what they told us to do in the instructions, so it does kind of guide you all the way through. Screws to go. Let's get it. Alright, we just finished the framing of one side of the roof. Now that I'm thinking of it, we literally have 4 sides. For some reason in my head I was thinking, oh, 2 sides and we're done, but no, we have 4. So we have 1 of the 4 done. Now we have to put the metal roofing on, and then I think that side will be done. And then we can get to the other 3. So exciting.
Breaking news.
It's raining.
New deck. And it started raining a lot, and now you can see we are flooded. Wayne's out there trying to make trenches to hopefully help with it. He looks so defeated, but you can see he's literally soaking wet. He looks so sad. He's been out there for probably almost an hour.
Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. We got
Don't mind this.
just about everything done that we needed to as far. Well, we got all the framing done, but the one that we did in the middle of the night, we gotta go back and fix.
The roof.
Yeah.
There's 4 sections of the roof. The last one was a little messed up, so we have to redo it. That sounds promising.
Yeah, I don't know if you heard that, but we got a thunderstorm we're racing against. At least to get the framing done. That's what we want to do. Today, I want to try and get it up there. But we'll see.
But
anyways,
thunderstorms, I'm not holding on to a metal thing. Tell me if this makes any sense to you. Remove protective glue film. Okay, that makes sense. Starting in the center, place panels as shown below. Yep. Overlap panels by 1 ridge. Panels should be flush with the purlin ends and Q1 roof joist. I'm guessing that's what this means. Aha. Once sheeting is in place, it is recommended to add H100833. So that's what we're gonna do. This is the last piece we had to assemble. They have 2 small ones and 2 large ones. So this was the last small one, and then we will put them up. So like I said earlier, having 3 people at least would be really helpful, especially for putting on the roof. It was just the 2 of us, and again, we're impatient, so we wanted to get it done. So it's not ideal the way that we did it, but it worked. But if you're going to do this, definitely have more than 2 people. What you see us doing here is screwing in this piece into the frame to make sure that it stays up. So they have nuts and bolts that they give to you, and we're just adding those here.
Ready as you'll ever be? That's your face.
The camera's gonna get a nice shot of my booty cheeks clenching. Can I have a screw? Thank you. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Honestly, how about you go up there? Because I can hold this. I think.
You got it?
No.
A bit more. Okay. Why we read the instructions. One time we went rogue. Alrighty, so this entire time all we've done is follow the instructions, and it's been going great for us. So what we decided was, why don't we do the hard side first? You know, we're fresh, we just started. Turns out, for this, it mattered what side you do first, and we did the second side first.
Alright, so we almost died like 4 or 5 times, but the roof is up-ish. We have enough up there for it to stay up there. I think we're going to take a quick break, and then we'll come back and finish off the rest of the screws that we need to add in, and then supports. So we'll see how that goes. But there is a thunderstorm coming in, so yeah, we'll see. last thing we had left to do is add a few little pieces, some flashing, and attach the gazebo to the deck. And here is the finished product. We absolutely love it. Putting it up was definitely a challenge. It took us probably, I think, about 3 days to fully put it up. The directions were great. Definitely would suggest more than 2 people, and just know that it's going to take some time, but great directions, great quality. We absolutely love it so far. One of the really nice things about the gazebo is that it does come with an electrical box that you can attach to. So there's a bunch of outlets and USBs on there. It's really awesome to have.